What's going on, guys? Welcome. We're going to talk about the overall market. What's happening today? It's been a very slow day to say the least. Things have been choppy. It's been choppy. So I know how you guys are feeling right now. But yeah, welcome, guys. Appreciate everyone tuning in. Um, So we'll let everyone get in here in a second. While everyone's waiting to come in, just let me know how's your day been going. Red, green, neutral, just hanging out. Me personally, I'm red because I'm in tech stocks, but I do believe that this is the dip buy on tech. So what we're working with right now, at least, is this overall reversal right here. So this was the start of the reversal, right? Now we're pushing up, and we've been making higher lows. So Friday we had the drop, buyers bought it back up. Monday, Tuesday, we kind of pushed up, started selling off, had the drop today, and now the question is, are the buyers showing up? If they are, amazing. What I'm still looking for is, I still stand by this, guys. I personally still think we're going to end up close to here by the end of the week, assuming that this key support holds right here. So I'm really watching this level. It's been teetering back and forth, but now we're starting to show buyers. Buyers are starting to come up, so that is great to see. So Powell's talking at 2:30, so expect some volatility at that. Expect some volatility. Whenever he talks, the market decides to just either plummets, do not. I mean, he more times than not, the market likes to drop when he talks. What's up, Daniel? What's up, Felix? So it's neutral for you. All right, got you. But yeah, so overall, I do think at least this is a dip buy for now on tech. Appreciate everyone tuning in though to the stream. So just what I'm looking at, I'm looking at AMD, added on to AMD today, added on to Aapl, Neo, watching that. Just made a Neo video, if you guys call it that. But yeah, so watching Neo closely. Tesla looking for the push up. Daniel said, how's Golden looking? Sure, man. Golden starting to recover. See, it found buyers right here. See, Daniel, that's why you don't cut it yet, because it was right at support, didn't break it yet, and now it's starting to find buyers. So we are starting to bounce there on Golden. See, man, starting to bounce there. I do think this is the dip buy for Golden as well, because look at the monster run it's had, pull back, push up. So I wouldn't cut Golden just yet. I was looking at RSI. Now that one looked a little more questionable, but it is coming back. RSI, I'd cut it if it got underneath 1874 again. So if it got underneath 1874, I would cut RSI personally. But Golden, to me, looks the strongest out of those two, just based off of the run Golden has had, and then pullback. And I do think Golden does look the strongest, like I mentioned before. So yeah, that's what I'm working with, guys. What else are you guys watching or looking at? Bottom for oh my goodness, I don't even look at plug, man. Wow. Plug, I want to see it get back above 37.39, to be honest with you. So 37.39 is where I'm looking at for plug. What do you think of 8:35 call for Tesla expiring 19th? No, man. Of this month? Or like 2 days from now? Heck no. I would not take that, bro. I would not take that. Yeah, it's not worth it. If I wanted to just day trade Tesla, I would get a next week expiration and then maybe like a 740. But I would not get one that was expiring on Friday. It's too close already. So who thinks we're going to drop on the market when Powell's talking? Who thinks we're going to moon? Let me know what you guys think. Me personally, it's going to be hard to say. Yeah, GS, but you're what's happening is your theta, it's going to ramp up. Like your theta is going to be killing you. Your delta is so low. So Tesla's really going to have to move huge. So your theta is theta's going to be ramping up soon, bro. But yeah, so who thinks we're going to drop when Powell's talking, or we're going to just moon? Me personally, it's a 50-50 as always with him. Just based off of, I mean, he can say we're not changing interest rates, and then the market still drops. So, what's up, Abdul, man? Abdul, where you been, bro? You been busy, man? Or something? John, thanks for dropping like a rock. I hope not. I hope we don't. This just looks like a perfect dip buy right here. No problems, yes. This just looks like a perfect dip buy in my opinion. I would really hate if this broke right here. I really would, guys. If we can just hold this level today and just moon Thursday and Friday, that would be ideal. End up in here. Excuse me. Life is hitting Abdul. I feel you, man. Schoolwork. But yeah, so tech is looking still good. I mean, even though we're down, 150 points a day, still staying true to the trend. So yeah. Yeah, John, you're smart. You're smart, bro. Good eye. Yeah, I've been telling that to my group as well. It's very low volume, indeed. Very low volume indeed. I don't think I really, this is just basically like very minimum selling. It's not any buyers and just people just selling, but it's not huge selling either. Like the volume is very low. We all got invested in some Hasbro. Why is it doing good? Like the reason why I think this is the dip buy on tech, guys, is because right here, right here, when we fell down, this could have very easily well have been it's still in the downtrend. But the fact that we got this ball right back up and pushed up this week, and now we're pulling back, that's why I'm still leaning that this is the dip buy. Hey Abdul, that's why I'm doing it right now for you, bro. That's why I'm doing it around this time. They own Death Row Records. Did y'all see Disney? Wow, that was short-lived. That was very short-lived. Disney said they were announcing that they were opening their parks. We saw a huge candle, and it looks like it just sold right back off. Wow. A lot of this is due to that Disney Plus thing, where they've been doing their exceptional growth. Like the Disney Plus is really bringing a lot of revenue for them. Meme stock day in a couple hours. BBW, what's that? Build-A-Bear? Oh, don't tell me this thing's. Oh, actually, what? This one actually doesn't look like a typical meme stock right now. Because it's not, I mean, yes, over here, yeah. But it's just been slowly uptrending. So this one actually doesn't look too much like a meme stock. What's GameStop doing? Drop a like, guys. Yeah, appreciate it. If you are watching, guys, I would do appreciate if you dropped a like. Thank you for being here, by the way. GameStop just holding. See, now this is the meme stock type crap. GameStop's just hanging out there right now. So what are you guys watching right now? Y'all paying attention to anything? I don't know why this thing pumped again. I really don't. Oh, you're watching Palantir? Ooh, thank you for bringing in Palantir, Johnson. Palantir. Oh, man. Palantir dropped right here. I want to see it get back above 25.55 on Palantir, guys. I want to see that one get right back above 25.55 for sure. OPTT. Let's see what this one's looking like. Ocean Power. Seeing a little bit of a dip. This one looked like it found buyers. So the next resistance level I'm looking at is right here at 406. So 406, looking for a push above that. CTRM. CTRM just hanging out on the support right here. As long as it don't break that, Abdul, we're chilling. Talked about that many times before in stream, so it needs to hold 91 cents. Yo, Abdul, what I want you to do, bro, is right now or whenever after the stream, go ahead and put your stocks in the stock call up, man. So if you do miss the stream, I still do them for you, and you can just rewatch it. And I'll let you know the timestamp when I call it, or I'll do your last like you always tell me to do. So go ahead and put yours in right now so you don't forget, man. So Bingo, this got underneath the support, tested it. So what I'm looking for is a push above support for Bingo above 895. Let's take a look at Nano as well. Nano sold off, came here, bought the dip. So really want 961 to hold for Nano. Plug GMB. Oh, let's take a look at BA. BA today. BA is looking nice. It's starting to bounce out, or sorry, not bounce, but base out right around here. Base out around 254. So as long as we hold that, we should be doing good on BA. So BA is actually looking good right now. BA is looking good. I've been just chilling today basically. I haven't been just seeing where the market's going. Like I said before, I do think this is the dip, by the way, guys. But I'm really interested to see how what Powell says today. Good time to buy SSY. Let's take a look at it. Bro, what is this? Bro, what support? SSY? This one? I mean, if you want to call this 321 a support because of this wick, but man. This one's one of those pumps as well. So I'd be careful with this one. Because you don't know when it's going to go back down to these levels right here. I mean, if you're playing off of this wick right here, then yeah, you can play that support play. But if I was in this stock, I would personally have a really tight stop loss. Like I would have my stop loss like 275. I would hate to get into this stock. It's IPO back in 2009. Look what it's done since then. So these type of stocks you gotta be careful, man. They just have these random pumps up out of nowhere. And I mean, if you can ride the wave, if you get in before you know it's gonna pump, then great. But you never know when it's just gonna come back down and do like that for the next 5 years again. So you gotta be careful chasing these stocks. But yeah, that's my whole spill on that. Let's look at the SPY. SPY finally broke that ascending triangle. So I do believe I was talking about I want the SPY down here. For which ticker, Abdul? You talking about SSY? 30-minute time frame? Which one are you talking about? But yeah, I think SPY is coming down but I don't want it to drag tech with it. There you go. There's been days when it does nothing. This is 2009. No, I don't, Brandon. I've heard of them before. Are they over here? What's the difference? They look a little different. I can't. Hold on. What's the difference with them? Hold on. Oh, hold up. I know. They don't have wicks. Is that it? No, they do have wicks. What's the... I don't get the difference. I can't really... That's normal candles. So why is that red right there? Oh, it lines up better? Huh. It seems like they turn the green ones into red if it's in a downtrend. See, watch this. Oh, frick. Oh, so this is all red right here. Huh, wait. Wait, is that gonna be green right there? Yeah, that's green right there. Yeah. So yeah, it like, if it's an uptrend, they change these to green ones. If it's a downtrend, they change like the green ones into red ones. Is it? Oh, I don't like hollow. You said, is there a reason you use the 4? Yeah. Because I'm a swing trader, I'm more focused on the bigger picture. That's why I use the 4 hour. But if you're looking at intraday stuff, then yeah. If you're looking at intraday stuff, I recommend the 15-minute time frame. That's what I use sometimes. But that's the main reason why I use the 4 hour, because I'm more focused on the bigger picture. I like longer swings. I bet you, watch this. I bet you this is gonna say this is red. Yep. I could never use a 1 minute chart. That really, a 1 minute chart messes with your emotions, man. It really does. If you're on a 1 minute chart, man, your emotions are going through a roller coaster, because you see a big red candle, but in reality, that big red candle is like nothing compared to like the overall picture. What about ETFs like XRT? Oh, so yeah, I mean, you can use these. This follows the SPY. You can look at SPX. No. Sorry, that's no. What's the other one? SPXXL. Okay. So this is one. You can look at this follows the SPY. Me personally, I just go with this one. I go with this one. Just the regular old SPY and QQQ. But either one works as long as they track it like they're supposed to. I bought a put option on the SPY. I mean, yeah, out of all of the indexes right now, the Russell and the SPY are ones that I wouldn't mind a pullback on. Tech, I do not want to pull back on. I mean, yes, you're asking, but isn't tech stocks in the SPY? Yes, they are, but they're not weighted nearly as close as what they are in the NASDAQ. Like, Apple's in the SPY, but its weight is nothing compared to what is in the NASDAQ. And plus, you have a combination of like smaller caps, you have financials in here. So if the SPY tanks, then necessarily the NASDAQ doesn't have to tank, because we saw this huge run up on the SPY when the NASDAQ didn't really see that huge run up. So You said VW. Is that what you're looking at? VW futures. What's this? I don't know what those are, man. Facebook has actually been one of the leaders in tech right now. So Facebook's been selling, or not, the tech's been selling off, but Facebook has been doing just fine, which is good. Those are the type of stocks that you want to see in strength. VW, Volkswagen, got you. Okay. Looks like this is pumping up out of nowhere. Wow, this is OTC as well. Is this based off of the electric vehicle hype? Or am I wrong? I could be wrong. But that is crazy to see. It's going parabolic. Oh yeah, let's take a look at Bitcoin as well. Appreciate everyone tuning in, guys. Thank you so much. Bitcoin, okay. All right, yeah, so, man. Last time I looked at Bitcoin, it was right here. I said either two things are happening. We're pushing up to here, or we're getting rejected and heading back down to here. Now, I did mention, though, to my group that if next time we test this, I'm not certain if we do hold this, but it looks like we are holding it for right now. So what we can do on Bitcoin is do another one of this number right here, where after we fell down, we pushed up, and then we consolidated a little bit. The same thing can happen with Bitcoin right now. Push up, and then we just consolidate and then gear up for that move up again. That's very possible with what Bitcoin's doing right now. So I would be on the lookout for that play. I really would be. Makes sense though why Bitcoin would do that. Consolidation is good after the long run up it's had. Since this dip right here, consolidation is good for it, I do think. Really just waiting for Powell, to be honest with you, to talk. I really want to see how the market's going to react. But that's not till 2:30, unfortunately. Square's another one I'm watching. It's right at support. So be on the lookout for that. Oh, Snapchat. I got in Snapchat yesterday. Nice, it's doing just fine. Bought Snapchat this bottom of the support right here, or near it, and hopefully it's pushing. It's going to start pushing back up. TTC. Haven't done this one in a little bit. Tattooed. Want to see it hold support here at 21. Where is that? 2101. It's right at the edge. Gapped up, gapped down past couple of days. So definitely don't want to break in 2101 because you can see this as the reversal. So you don't want it, just going back in the downtrend that it's had previously. So I'll be on the lookout for that. Guys, I'm probably going to end this stream right here. I know it was a short stream, but I'm going to get some lunch in time for the POW I'm speaking. So I'm going to grab some lunch, guys. Hopefully there's not too much volatility on the market. Hopefully the market just doesn't even react to him talking. But that's wishful thinking. Other than that, guys, appreciate y'all tuning in. Thank you so much. Try to get another one of these maybe Friday. We'll have to see. But appreciate everyone being here, and I'll catch you guys later.